Did you know that whoever killed 8 people in Villisca, Iowa didn't just leave? It was June 10th, 1912. The Moore family and 2 young girls who had stayed the night were all found axe murdered in their beds. Every single one of them. The whole town was shaken to its core. But here is the part that changes everything. When investigators went through the house, they found something strange. The mirrors had been covered. A bed had been made. And whoever did this had clearly stayed inside the home for some time after the killings. That is not panic. That is not a robbery gone wrong. That is someone who had a reason to stay. A traveling minister eventually confessed to the murders. Then he took it back. The case dragged on for decades. No one was ever convicted. Forensic experts and investigators have studied this crime for over 100 years, and they still cannot explain why the killer lingered. What was he doing in that house? Nobody knows.